you been to do I like, oh. Ginger me boy, don't stop, oh. If to say I be no Zaga, I for ginger you make we Bankulize. Ginger you make we Bankulize. Ginger you say I be no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a halo crown. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's looking a hot ass mess. So we're going to take some water and spray that baby. Oh, all right, so my song was on clearly and I was jamming. All right, I couldn't stop moving apparently. But so yeah, you just want to put some water all up in that thing. Yeah. So you want to put some water because I had some got to be glued on my edges from yesterday when I did my wig reviews. So I'm just trying to get it all wet and then wipe some of that off. All right, because I was feeling lazy and didn't feel like washing my hair, obviously. But yeah, you just want to make sure. Oh, okay. I think my song was on again, you guys. All right, so yeah, you want to take a comb and comb that nappy thing out. All right, comb it real good, and then we're gonna part it. I don't think that comb is any good, so we're gonna use this one. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and part it. I look like my scalp just looks so pale. I don't know, but whatever. So you just want to make sure you part it really good, or however you want. You don't have to put a part. I just chose to put a part because that's just how I wanted to style mine. But this is completely optional. And basically, I'm just gonna part it and apply some Eco Styler gel and my mousse to mousse that baby down. Oh yeah. So now we're ready to go. All right, we gonna go just like that. No, I'm kidding, guys. So we're gonna apply some more mousse on that thing. Comb it out. My hair was really like just struggling today, guys. Like, and I'm like tender-headed too. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our Eco Styler, oh yeah, and make sure we get those edges real good. You just want to slap a whole bunch on there. Just take everything that's in the jar and just slap it on there because edges are important. And we gotta make sure them things come out looking right, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with all that Eco Styler gel in my hair, trying to flatten this down, okay? And we're gonna brush it and try to brush that baby down. Oh yeah. So make sure you tie this really tight into like a little bun or what have you and such. I feel like the shorter your hair is, the easier this style will be for you. Alright, so make sure you get them sideburns, okay, because sideburns are important. Oh yeah. I just like doing my sideburns like that, but yeah. And now I'm just going in with the second tie. Alright, I just want to make sure it's really flat back there. So you're gonna take your hair, it's like Kanekalon hair that I braided myself. Oh yeah, I was so proud of myself, guys, because I thought I was gonna mess it up. And you just want to tie it around your little bun back there. Alright. If your hair is longer, I would recommend making your braid bigger so that you can cover it up back there. So I'm just gonna keep tying to secure it. And now we begin to wrap this halo around our head because we are queens. Look at that beautiful black queen. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So you just want to pin it down with some bobby pins, obviously to secure it. If you got to make some adjustments, go ahead and make your adjustments. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. Now my braid was a little too long, so what I ended up doing was just wrapping it around the bun like in the back to kind of cover it up. But this is it, y'all.